Okay, so welcome once again. So without delaying, let's start our recap session. So we'll try to make it quick just to understand the logic. And let me share my screen. So we are not going to pass in each and everything. So what I'm interested in is for you just to understand what were we doing yesterday. So because some of you guys were a bit lost, so now I want to try to take every person on the same page. So yesterday we have got a challenge where people were not practicing. So today I request every person to practice. Okay? Can you please
Yeah.
uh, confirm if you are seeing my screen? Is it my screen shared?
Yeah, it's visible.
Okay, so guys, also confirm if you are going to practice with me. I don't want you to watch like people watching a movie. Are we going to practice or we are going to watch again?
No, we are together. We are practicing.
Yeah, in the first recap, I have shown you the way to separate your or split your screen into two parts. So you can put one on online meeting and then uh, you open Excel on another part. So if you are having like one PC, you can adopt such kind of way so as we move together. So if you feel like you need me to repeat that way, you can tell me or we can go straight to. Let me try to close my WhatsApp for avoiding this kind of notifications. Um, yeah, so uh, let's start. Yesterday we were doing like three things. First one, we were uh, using Power Query to transform and creating the models, to transform data and clean them inside Power Query, and then we create a model. We wrote to the model. The second thing we were doing is to use that model to manage the relationship where we were connecting different tables. And the third thing we did is to build dashboards based from the model we created and the relationship we managed to create. So let's go straight to this. So have you all opened an empty Excel, a blank Excel? So please go unmute and then speak. Let us discuss again.
Yes, I've opened it.
The blank Excel. So
Yes.
we go here to data. So some of you are going to see get data, or if you are having like old version like me, which is new query, and then come here on from file, and then let us choose Excel from file from Excel workbook. So after this, you are going to import the oops. We are going to import the same dataset we were using yesterday. Bootcamp I think it is this one. So are we together?
Hello, Benjamin. Benjamin.
Yes, yes, please.
Benjamin.
Yes.
Yes, I sent the request and I was approved by the admin just a moment ago. So I'm a bit lost on what you're doing.
Okay, let us start. So the first thing we did is just open in a blank Excel. Okay, and I was explaining
Okay.
like we are going.
Open blank essay.
Yes, and I was explaining like we are going to be doing three things. The first thing is just to load data into Power Query, where we are going to do transformation and build like a model. The second thing is to use that
Okay.
model we created to build like connection from different tables. And then the third thing we are going to do is just to use uh, that connection we created among tables so that we can build a simple dashboard. That's the three main thing we are going.
Oh,
Yeah. So after opening a blank Excel, choose blank workbook, and then come here on data, hit on data. So some of you are seeing like get data here, or if you have old version of Excel like me, just click on new query, and then come here from file. So from file we choose from Excel workbook. So we are going to use the same data set like the one we
from
used
click
yesterday.
on data.
Sorry,
We click on data and then
get data
see.
from
Okay.
from
Get
Excel. So
get external data.
we are trying to import or load the data. Come on data. You can click here on get data or new query depending on the version of your Excel. Then from file and choose from Excel workbook. Then we
Let
choose
me.
this Power Query transaction into share link.
Are you seeing here? Are you seeing here? I don't think I have it.
So which version of your Excel?
7.
7. What do you mean by 7?
20 and 27
20,
or 2007.
2007.
Yes.
So your Excel does
Yes.
not support Power Query. That's the bad news. So what can
Wow.
just go into WhatsApp group. Let me see if just contact someone who
Yeah,
code
I'm
for so that he can
you
share
online.
like a version we are sharing to people who are having such kind of problem. So for others, let us proceed. So after loading the data, just we are going to click hello. Okay, so you are all muted and then I felt like I left the call. Okay, so on the first time we are going to select multiple items. So we are going to first select these five tables. So dim calendar, we check it. Dim customer, we check it. Dim product, dim legion, and then dim cells labs. Okay. After doing this, we are going to come here on transform.
Excuse me.
Okay.
You said we're going to select calendar and
Yeah, the first five: calendar,
okay,
customer, product, and region. Okay.
okay, okay.
So, and then we come here to transform, click on it, then wait a bit. So, after doing this, there is a pop-up which is going to be appearing here. Um, which is saying like, okay, so we are now in Power Query Editor. So we are going to first check if our data are of good quality. Okay. So here we are having like, so are you seeing my cursor? So when you try to click here on the date, you are on the first column. If you click on this icon of date, so they are trying to give you different data types. So we check if each and every data, the column is of good quality. We are going to check if each and every column is having like good data type, the matching one. So since we have dates, is it okay to go with dates here? Colleagues, please unmute and then
Yes,
talk.
Me, I'm lost
So where are you, Rost?
from the selecting part of calendar to regions.
Yes, just select those. Make sure you have selected the first five.
Uh huh.
Afterward, click on transform. Transform data. Check them.
It's not. It's not working. I don't know why.
First, make sure you have clicked on select multiple. There is a select multiple at left top. Okay, are we on the same interface? Miss, just confirm.
I'm still trying to do it. Let me
So,
see.
so if you are having the pop-up showing the what? The tables. Are you there? Like dim calendar, dim customer, dim product, dim region, and so on. Are you there? So how are going to help you? Can you please share your screen?
Okay, let me share my screen.
Yes. Share your screen and we see. So we are moving so slow, but let us go together.
Yes, please. I think you're still sharing. Am I going to share?
Yeah, no problem. You can share. It will work.
No.
Do you know how to share?
No, it's not working because you're
Let
sharing. Because
let me stop sharing.
yeah. Mm. Can you remind me how I can share? Because
So you see there is an icon of audio,
I'm seeing here
camera,
share screen and then choose what to share with.
entire screen. Share the entire screen.
Okay.
And then
And
after clicking in the window they are giving you,
okay. Are you
and
seeing
then
my
share.
my
Yes,
screen?
they are seeing your screen. Yes. Umva se hari umuntu utari admitted man.
You're seeing my screen?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Go on a new query. There is a new query beside the get external data.
Yeah.
So not there is new query beside get data. You see first icon is get data and the
Yeah.
second one is called new query. Just click on it.
Oh God.
Hey miss, please
Yes.
click on new query.
Now here on my screen, it's showing me the
Have you
navigator, calendar, what?
have you shared the entire screen?
Yes.
So we are only seeing get external data, new query, refresh all. So I want you
Yeah,
to
I've
click.
moved. Now I'm on calendar on my screen here. Don't know why.
So you didn't share the entire screen. Stop sharing and then share the entire screen. Share again.
Or we continue, I'll catch up later. Because I think time is going.
Okay. So how are you going to catch up? I don't know.
Is it okay? 'Cause-
So I was asking myself, how are you going to catch up? Okay. Then then go to new go on new query. So have you clicked new query? Go on new query.
yes, I did.
So we are not seeing it. Yes, okay. Click on
Okay.
new query.
Then to this.
Okay, you see the list from Excel. Oops. Is there any pop-up showing like different staples? Or it is still
Yes,
like
I do have here.
yes, go look at the top. There is a box to check where it is written select multiple.
Oh, okay. Okay, I
Check
see.
check it
I did.
and then select those five first five. Dim calendar, dim what and what.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
And go to transform your data. Yes, you can now stop sharing.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome. Let me share again. Yeah. Okay, this one. So I was telling you guys that if you want to check like the data types of your data, you come here on this first. You know where you are seeing where my cursor is. When you click here, so you see different data types. You can decide to make it a decimal number, a currency, a whole number. So now we are starting like data cleaning process. Okay, so when we say data cleaning is like the process of assuring the quality of our data to make sure if our data is ready to be analyzed. So can you please navigate to the second table? It's called dim category. So and then if you feel like you want to make, you see the column names. There is column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. Instead of being customer ID, customer, region, country, segment. So if you want to make like this first low a header, you just come here at home and then there is this option called use first low as header. Are you seeing the same? And then click on it. So after clicking on it, so the first low is going to be displayed as header. So let's check the third. It's okay. And the fourth. So you see even on the fourth dim legion, we have the same case. So we have to come here and then use first low as header. And let's check also the dim cells left. So it is also having the same issue. So we come here and then we use first low as header. Okay. So after doing this, are we still together, colleagues? Are you still there? Hello?
Yes, Benjamin.
Yeah, we are together.
Yes.
So you are keeping too quiet, and then I feel like
We don't want it to disturb you.
okay. So let us stop here, and then we come here on home. Okay, and
Yes.
we come here on home, and then there is this animal which is called cross and load. This icon, the first icon. So please click on this drop down, and then you are going to choose the second option. Okay,
Yes.
so we are going to close and load two. Don't choose the first one, go with the second. So after going with the second, so you are going to see this pop up. So we choose this only create the create connection, and then we add this data to data model. Okay, so after doing this we hit load. Okay, we hit load, so your data is going to be shown here. So, and I want to, okay, so so if you want to go back on the same query, you just come here and then double click to one of the table. So if you click on one of the tables, so you are going to be back on this table. Okay, so but I want us to import again. Show queries. I want to, so what if I want to add a new query, a new table? How am I going to do it? Should I come again on new query? So I want to add those tables of transaction quarter one, transaction quarter two. So let us try to, so we check this one. So let me check all of them. And this, so and then I do transform. I want to see if they are going to come below those we imported. So if it doesn't work, we are going to import all of them together. Yes, now it is becoming below. So on the first time we have managed to import the first five. Okay, and then afterwards we import like datas of transaction from different quarters. So just let me know if we are having like the same interface, please. Or am I moving too fast? Like two people can unmute and then let me know. Are we having the same interface? So we first uh, imported the first five, and for the second time we are importing the transaction quotas. So colleagues, are we still together?
Can I ask you something?
Yes, please.
Because on the first one we did, I was kind behind, so I got stuck there.
Where are you stuck?
Now I'm stuck on the table of dates, and the first five ones we selected calendar and customers.
So what is the issue?
Now I want to know, after seeing the table of dates and years, what are we
Yeah,
going to
so
do?
we just we make sure that the first law is used as header on
Uh-huh.
every table. So just make sure if you are on dim calendar, you are having first
Yeah,
law, this as date.
yeah.
Sometimes when
Uh-huh.
you are importing this first law, which includes dates, year, quarter, is going to appear on here as first law.
Mm,
And then here
yes.
you are going to see column 1, column 2, column 3, and so on. So we just made sure that
Yeah, I have.
we are having in each table um,
Mm,
the good headers. I can call it good headers, the good column names. That's the only thing we did.
Mm-hmm.
After
Okay.
we, if you find that it is not matching, so there is this option which is called use first law as header. This one. So if you click on it, so you are going to have each and everything sorted. The column 1, column 2, column 3 is going to disappear. So
Mm.
after that, we come here on close and load, and then we just go with this second option, close and load too. After doing this, we select create connection, and then we check the box of put the data into data models, and then we click OK.
Okay.
So after doing that, you are going to come again on data tab in Excel, and then go to new query, and then import the remaining four. This transaction, what and what. This one. And then you are going to have us with the same interface. So guys, others, are we having the same interface? So people today don't want to talk to me. Colleagues, should I come and
Sending the reaction.
you are? No, no, please. So when I am
Yes.
sharing the reactions, I am not seeing those reactions. Just unmute. I give you the right. The go ahead.
Okay, good.
Unmute and talk to me. So if we are together, so I want to just know what we are going to do before doing it. So
We are together.
you see like we are having transaction in first quarter, transactions in the second quarter, transactions in fourth quarter and third quarter. So suppose if you want to expand or having all data of transaction into one table, how can you do it? This is the first assignment you are going to do. Okay, so we are having data of transactions from different quarters. So we have different tables, each quarter with each table, and then we want to merge or we want to append, we want to combine all of the data of transaction into a single table. So that we are going to do what we can call to expand. Are you understanding the logic?
Yes.
So let's come and then click on this first transaction, the transaction of quarter one. This one. Okay, are we together? After clicking on it, come here on applied steps on the light tab. So after clicking on it, just try to close each and every step here, and then remain only with the source. Are we still together? So if you are not confirming, I'm not going to proceed. Hey colleagues,
Yes, we are together.
we are together.
You
So
can. Yeah.
after having this table, come here on the name on the first column, and then let us do some filters. So we want to unselect all, and then we remain with transaction 1, transaction 2, transaction 3, and transaction 4. That's the data we want to expand or to combine, so that we are behaving transaction 1. After transaction 1 we have transaction 2, transaction 3, transaction 4. So after filtering only the transaction data from different quarters, let us come here on expand. There is, I don't know if you are seeing this icon on the second part, which is called data. Are you having the same? This icon, please confirm. If you are not having the same, you are finished. You are cooked. So and then click on it. So after clicking on it, just come here on OK without changing anything. Click on OK. So your data will be combined. So let us check. So you see we are in transaction 1. If we try to scroll a bit, we keep scrolling, so we are going to be having like transaction 2. Here it is. So here we are navigating from transaction 1 to transaction 2. So are you having the same? No.
Yes.
Okay. After,
Well,
but here there is some problem. You see, at the end of each quarter, so we are having again the names of the column ID, order date, customer ID. So to mean at even at the end of this quarter 2 we are going to have this, and then at the end of quarter 3 we are going to have this. So the another challenge we are having is the headers, the column names. So it is not with good names. So here we are going to use again this use first law as header. So after having this, we come here on order ID, then we scroll at the bottom, and then we uncheck this order ID. So we do this to avoid the repetition of the column names at the end of each quarter. I don't know if the reason we are doing this is understood. Is it understandable?
yes, we understand now.
Yeah. And after doing this, we do okay. After doing okay, we come here, there is properties and name. So we can change this name, and then we name it sales. We are going to change the name of this expanded table, and then we hit enter. So after hitting enter, so the remaining tables are like useless. We can delete them. The quarter 2, delete. The quarter 4, we delete. So the reason why we are deleting them is just because we combined each and everything into sales. So this is now useless. Then we delete them. Okay. So are we having only 6 tables now? Colleagues, please confirm. Are we together? So I don't
Yes.
want to left
Yeah,
anyone behind.
we are together.
Yeah, together. So how about the boys? Male. I am only seeing female. Please, boys, one can unmute.
Eh,
So are we together? Please confirm.
can't say that. Hello.
Hello, hello, gentlemen.
I'm stuck on how you've changed the column's name.
Just come here. There is query settings and there is properties. There is name here. Click here and then delete the transaction Q1 and then add sales. As simple
No,
as that.
I just said about columns.
Oh, the columns. So you are having here like column one, two, three,
Yes,
four.
yes.
Just come here at home and then use this. Use first low as headers.
Okay.
Yeah, just click on it. So the magic is going to be happening.
Oh no, it just it's like it used
Low to be
the
the
first
header.
law. It's not the same as yours, but it took the like
The first line.
yeah.
So what were you having on the first line? It's not same like this.
It's just the same as the following laws.
Oh, what have you did? So have you did the same steps like me?
I thought I did.
So can you please share? Share and we see where there might be an issue. Hope
Okay.
Skype is learning, but no problem. Let me stop sharing. Please share your screen and we see.
Okay.
So how about others? Are we together?
Yes, we are together.
Okay. Okay, so just click in any one of the table there at queries and connection.
Uh, You mean where?
On the right side,
Hmm.
double click one of the table.
I did.
One of the yes there. Just go to the name of one of the table and then you double click.
The name?
Oops. No, just click on dim calendar. Dim calendar. Hey, oh, Mister. So you have shared the screen of Excel only.
Oh, I don't know why it doesn't appear.
You can please share the entire screen.
Okay. Let me try again and see.
Yeah, try to share the entire screen.
Okay.
Yes. From there, Just
Mm-hmm.
go on the transaction. Transaction. Oh, oops. Seems like you have deleted. So okay, okay. You see there is a pride steps at the light side. Light side. Just go on the last step.
Here.
On the last step. Last one.
This.
Just yes. Click on that cross. Yes, cross it
Mm-hmm. I
and
did.
cross that one. The demoted. Also close that one. Also close that one.
Okay.
Yes, again close that one.
Okay.
Again. Yeah, now you are good.
Okay.
Yes, go on transaction Q1
Mm-hmm.
and then cross each steps there too. Close and remain with source.
Okay.
So go
Okay.
on names. So go on name filter. No, name. There. Filter only transaction one, two, three, and 4. Click OK.
Okay.
So you see on the data, the second column, data
Mm-hmm.
on data. Click on that animal, yes, and then go to OK.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, and then go and rename that transaction Q1 as sales. Also make the first row as headers. Click enter, hit enter. Yes, make that use first row as headers. So also
Okay.
go on
Okay.
order ID, not, I mean the second column, yes.
Mm-hmm.
Scroll at the button and then uncheck order ID. Then hit OK.
Okay.
And then you can delete those transaction Q2, Q3 because we have combined each and everything into single table called sales.
Okay. Like this.
Yes, delete. You don't want,
Okay.
then delete. So is there anyone else who is facing any challenge?
Yes, please.
So which challenge
Okay.
then?
Thank you.
I was on this step of transaction, read me.
Yes,
I
just
think.
filter only transactions.
Where? I don't know.
After filter on the drop down. Or you can share and receive.
Okay, let me.
Oops, the time for the. But hope others we are on the same interface. So if you are not on the same interface like us, please make sure that you are following so that you can manage to do it on your end. Okay. Oops. So
No, I'm not on this one. I have another.
another
I
what?
think it's not the one I'm sharing is not the one on the screen. I don't know.
Just when you are sharing, please try to share the entire screen. Don't hit on this window or this tab only. Just there is three options. Make sure you have shared the entire screen. That's where we are going to see everything. Yes, that one. Yes, you are
Okay.
on the right track. Go on first column called name.
Here,
Yes, and then only filter transactions.
like this.
Yes, then hit OK. So after hitting
I
OK,
did.
go to the second column, data. And then please click on that icon,
Here,
which is for expanding. Click on it and then click on
I
OK.
did.
Yes, then hit OK. Yeah. So then use first law as header again.
Here.
No, the one, yes, that one.
Okay.
Then you are going to come on order ID, the second column, and then filter. On second one, scroll down at scroll down, and then uncheck order ID.
Order ID.
Yes, uncheck it, and
I
then
got
hit
it.
yes, hit OK. So and then rename the transaction Q2 sets the name at the right side. Query settings, not not
Where? Here.
the right side.
Here.
There, yes. Then make it series.
And then?
Delete it and then make it series. Series.
Okay,
Then
done.
hit enter. So the remaining is just to delete
Mm,
the other three transactions because we don't want,
mm.
yes, delete them. So hope now everyone we are having the same interface. Okay, so we
First,
can
wait. How do you delete them?
right click,
Oh,
then delete, do it for
okay.
the
Thank
same. Yeah. So guys, hope we are together now, all of you.
Yes.
Okay, so let us proceed. Um, yeah. So the second part we are going to follow is just to do some techniques for cleaning our data. So data cleaning is among of the parts we discussed yesterday, but I don't want us to spend a lot of time in it. So we are going to perform like different 3 or 4 techniques, and then you know how to do it. I want us to jump into creating the models, and then we try to put like 2 visuals. So maybe the trainer will be coming, or if he comes, he will stop us. So guys, when you are doing data cleaning, you
Yeah,
just
sorry. I'm already here, but for the sake of understanding, please
oh
go slowly with them.
okay. So the time
Yeah,
they will give us the time.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah. No problem. When you reach, I'll carry forward. I'll carry forward.
yeah.
Okay.
So welcome.
Yes. Go ahead, please.
Yes. So colleagues, I was telling you that when you are performing like data cleaning, you just have to go column wise. You just go on the first column and then you go on the second. And sometimes there is the time you reach on the fifth column and then you find you did a mistake on the second one. You just come back. So it's kind of repetitive way of just making sure you assure the quality of your data to be analyzed. Okay. So data cleaning, I can say in simple words, most of the work, like 60% of the data people, spend a lot of energy and data on this part of data cleaning. So let us try to have some. So here on the order ID. So please remember we are discussing. When we say order ID, it's same as like telephone number or national identification number. So in analysis thing, we take it as a text because there is no more advanced analysis we are going to do on it, except expressing the person whom we might be interested with. So in every analysis, just make sure what we call like identification is with the data type of text like this one. Okay, so let us move now on the third column. So the third column is called order date. So we are having order date as a text. So you can ask yourself what tells you it is a text. So when you try to click here on this icon which is appearing at the button, so you see we are having different data types. So and they are icon representing. So if you see like 1.2, you mean you are in decimal numbers. When you see dollar sign, it means you are in currents. And when you see like 123, it's a whole number. So all of these icons. So when we say it is order date, so it have to be a date. Okay. So we are going to change this from text to this date. So, but there will be some errors. Okay, let's come back again to text. So, what might cause? Okay, I can come here and then close this upright step. So, what might be causing this error? Anyone who can suggest what might be causing this error? So when I try to shift two dates, so you see I am having different errors. So many errors. Any suggestion? Yes, please.
I think we are getting Ella because some dates Power Kelly is taking them as text.
Yes, but when we try to change the data type, so we are having like, so you see here, when I change this data type to date, so some of them are appearing as errors and others are changing to the right dates. So what might be the cause? So I think, don't know if I'm right, but some of the dates, let me check very well. So okay, so why are those? Okay, but if we do like this using local, and I choose dates here, United States, see where is, I'm not, I need English, this land. Okay, so but I know there is some English Rwanda. I was searching for you English T. If we did like this, and we do okay. Yeah. So guys, let us try to handle this issue. Okay. So when we are trying to change this into normal dates, so we are having some dates becoming as errors. So to handle this, according to two different settings, so we have different date formats. So to tackle this, let us come here on this icon, and then instead of choosing this date, we come here to use using locally. Okay, after click on using local, so you wait a bit, there is a pop-up which is going to be appeared. So due to different settings in different computers, so some dates are having different date formats. So after the pop-up, you are going to take data type and then change this into dates. And then in different dates, in dates we have different date formats. So all of these are different date formats according to how people set this. But me, I was interested in English Rwanda. So where is it? English Rwanda. So they are sorted on alphabetic. So O P R S T. Where is it? O P.
No, it was there.
Even
It was there.
even UK
Yeah,
UK could
this
work.
one. Even
Yeah.
on UK it work. So
Mm.
I decided to go with English Rwanda, and then after clicking OK, so the dates are now fixed with no error. So how to check if there is some errors? So please come on view. So if you come on view, so because I'm having like old version, I don't have them. So there is some options here and here. Please you can check uh I don't remember its name. Just try to check one of those icon to see if you are going to see a pop-up here.
Yes, data quality.
Yeah, it's a data quality. So
Mm.
it is the one which is going to tell you that we have this error, we have this missing, and we have no error, things like that. So let us continue on the customer. I hope we are going together. So if you are having any question, please unmute. Stop me and then we go together. So customer ID, it is the same with other ID, so we keep it as text. So unless we have any missing. So is there any missing? I think there is none. So because me I don't have that option of data
There's a
quality.
problem with the first on the first row.
Where
Check.
here?
You check when you there's a null.
Okay, when there is null. So let us try to address it. So when they tell you there is a null is like a technical term of expressing a missing value. So when there is a null, so the option is to impute or substitute. So when you want to substitute, it's just to replace the value. Right click on the column and then there is this option of replacing the value. And then you type value to find, so where there is an R, so you can replace it maybe with, we can replace it with maybe C030, for example. But you can replace it according to different reasons. But for me, I decided to say where there is an R or a missing, just replace it with this option of 30. Then I hit OK. So this is going to replace where there is an R with this option. Okay, are we together? So let us proceed here again on product ID. So the data type is collect. So since it is identification, it has to be a text. So is there any missing?
No.
Some people are stuck in the lobby, please.
Oops. Please, Lema, can you please help us to admit people if you are around? Or Fabrice, if you are around, please check. So let us come on this product column. So if you are on product, so we are expecting some text inside the values to mean data type must be text. Okay, so what is going to challenge us here is to deal with inconsistency. So when we mean inconsistency, suppose when you give people like the option of selecting, like when you give people a questionnaire and then you ask them to locate their resident city. So one is going to say I live in Kigali, with capital K, another one type like Chigali or capital letters, another one with small letters, another one use some abbreviations. So another one put some space before or behind. So that's what we call inconsistency. So let me give you an example. So you see here on Pulse wireless mouse. So there is this and there is also this. I don't know if you are seeing this issue. There is a Pulse wireless mouse and there is another one which starts with a space. So this is what we call inconsistency. So and then when you are harmonizing like a categorical or a text column, so you have to trim those. You have to remove those spaces either in front or in backwards. So here we, if we want to replace this space, if you want to remove those all of those steps, so you just right click and go to transform. So there is an option to trim. So trimming help us to remove those extra spaces or unwanted space between the texts, and then we trim. So after trimming them, so you see we are having the same. Okay, so even we can even capitalize, so for them being the same, or we can replace one. So what if we replace this one? Okay. So but let us try to capitalize. So if we try to capitalize, so we come again on transform. So we capitalize each word. So we are
Uh,
trying
uh, no, for this part, I think the only required
was to
move
trim.
is to, yeah, to trim
Okay, so
blank spaces. If you capitalize each word, you are going to do it also in the table of products, which will double the work.
okay. So let
Yeah,
us trim only. So if you have capitalized, you can come here and then remove some of the
yeah,
applied steps. This one.
roll back.
Yeah. So we continue on the category. So here on the category, so since we asked people about the category of the product, so we are expecting people to answer something which is text. So since it is text, we are expecting text. So some people have to mute, please. So if you are expecting people to have text, so to mean data type, so we are choosing also text. But we come here and then we encounter this challenge. So we have some stationally, and let me try to use filter. So we are having like accessories and then accessories with double S. So and then maybe the light one is this of, oh, we have like three types. One which is not capitalized and having double A's, and another one which is capitalized and then with also double S. So we have to capitalize everything and then we change this with one S into double S's. So we are going to first harmonize these accessories. Okay, we come here. First thing we are going to capitalize each word. for each word to start with capital letter, and afterwards we come here to replace values. So where we are having like acc- accessory accessories, where we are having one s, to change it into double s. So where we are having accessories with one s, we change it into accessories with double s. We hit OK. So after hitting OK, we check if it is. So now we are having single accessory. So the second one is this furniture, which have to be turned into furniture. So we change each and every one which is having A into I. The same way we right click, we come to replace values, and then it is furniture to be replaced into furniture. Okay, and then you hit OK. So and then you check again if you have managed to make it. Okay, so the next one is lightning, which have to be changed into lighting. So you go each and every one, place value, and then where there is lightning, so we have to change it into lighting. So we change lightning into lighting, and then we hit OK. So guys, hope we are moving together. So and then if you get stuck, just stop me and then we address your issue. Don't worry, the trainer give us the time we want. So the next one is this fellows with this one, it is F, another one it is PH, and maybe the right one is this with PH. So we also come and then we do replace value. So where there is fellow fellows, we change it into fellows. Fellows into fellows with PH. We hit OK. Yeah, we check again if it has removed. Okay, so we are remaining with this stationally with stationally. So maybe the right one is this with E. We also do the same, right click, replace values, and then it is stationally with this stationally. Oh, I forgot Al. Stationally, like this. Afterwards, we hit OK. After hitting OK, I come again and I check. Yeah, now I have managed to harmonize my column of category. So, guys, colleagues, any question? Please, if you are having any question, just please stop me. So we don't want to We don't want to leave anyone behind. So yesterday you were watching a movie. Today we want you to practice. Question?
No question, I guess.
No question.
Yeah, it's
So I
fine.
hope you are understanding it.
Yes, we are practicing.
So the same on this legion. So we have to first check if the data type is matching. Since we were asking people to fill in legions, so we were expecting text answers. So to mean A, B, C is the right text data type. So and then we come and then we check again. So oops, so many so many what? So many options. So here we have also to harmonize. Okay, so for example, we are having this E dot Africa and this EA and then this East Africa and then this East Africa and this, all of them are meaning the same thing. So we have to first capitalize to reduce our work, and then we again harmonize by replacing the values. So we come here on transform and we capitalize each word. So after capitalizing, we check again. So let's first start on this e dot a. So on e dot a, we have to make it East Africa, like this one. Then we right click, replace value e dot a with, is it Easter or East Africa? East Africa, like this. Then we hit OK. So we check if it is no longer appearing. Yes. What else we have to this EA into East Africa too. So we can come here on EA, we right click, we replace value. Let us to put East Africa and we see East Africa. So what will it be? Oops. So now we managed to harmonize East Africa. So let us go to Southern Africa. I think we have this and this, East Africa. So for this East Africa, we right click on it, we replace values, then we put Southern Africa. So after putting Southern Africa, we hit OK. Then we check again. So we also have this option of STHN Africa. So you have to change it into uh, we have to change it into Southern Africa. So maybe we can come here and then so I have it. Right click on it, replace it with Southern Africa.
Benjamin, excuse me.
Yes, please.
Could you please zoom on shared screen? Because it's a bit difficult to see the data.
Oops. Okay, let me see if yes. Now okay.
At least.
Eh? At least. Yes. Like this. Oops.
Yeah.
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 So
Sure.
let's continue harmonizing. So now we are done with Southern Africa. So the remaining is this West Africa. So on this W dot Africa, we also come here and then we right click on it. We replace with West West Africa. Then we hit OK. Yes, and then we check again. Oops, here is challenge. We are having two West Africas. Let us try to trim and we see if it will disappear. So what if we trim this, transform, and then we trim. So let me check again. Yeah, now it is okay. Colleagues, am I lashing? Please let me know
Some
if I am lashing.
some of us came late.
Oops, why were you late?
Struggling. We are struggling to catch up. I don't know if someone will help us
So
get to where you are.
I am also helping people to catch up.
We joined very late, so we don't even know where you are. And
So
yesterday the teacher was very fast.
we are repeating the thing we did yesterday. So I don't know, but maybe you can I say you will watch a video because we cannot start again.
If I could get to where this page is, this sales power query, I would know what to do.
Oops. So
From
let me see if there is another co-facilitator into a meeting.
I would,
So
yeah.
Or can we maybe can I take her off so that
yes,
we
yeah.
can do that?
People with the same issue,
Yeah, let me
please take them off. Maybe you can create another link aside and then you I think might be the
all
option.
yeah. Yeah, I think yeah. Let me generate another
Another link. Yeah.
link and then yeah, we can do that.
So for others, let us continue. So hope you are having the same we are on the same page. So those people who have came late, so Dr. Lema is going to generate another link so as he can take you maybe where we are and then we can go together. So now we managed to harmonize this region. So we are going to go on sales lip ID. So since it is ID, we have to take it as text, and then this is goods. So I don't know if you can let me. Okay, so there is some missing. List may be incomplete. Yes, please. Is the missing empty or null? Colleagues, please unmute.
We don't have any empty or missing.
So here on sales, so to mean we are good.
Yes, we are good.
So let's come to this channel. So maybe it is sales channel and also it has to be text. So let's
Yeah.
see if there is any change. So I think this channel is good.
Yes.
So because my Excel version is a bit old, you are going to check for me if there is some missing so we can address them.
Yes.
So let's come here on quantity. So if it is quantity, it has to be number, whole number, and then it is right. And then the remaining is to check if there is some missing. Is there?
There is no missing.
Yeah, no missing.
Yes.
Yeah, that's good. Let's come on this column called unity price. So on unity price, so when we say unity price, we expect to be having money, but in terms of number. But if you try to see very well, so in this icon where we are checking data types, so we are having A, B, C, and 1, 2, 3. Who can tell me the meaning?
It means it's a mixture of numbers and text.
Yeah, wonderful. So when we are having, so but I don't know why other people's are not participating. Please let us discuss as the whole class.
Yeah.
I'm keeping hearing only one person, and it is a she. To mean there is no he here.
Yeah,
Okay,
sorry.
it was a joke. So let us proceed. So when we see this kind of data type, A, B, C, and 1, 2, 3, it means we are having a mixture of text and a number. So what we call alphanumeric, alphabetic and numeric. So we also have to harmonize this. So when you take an example here, so we are having like numbers and some USD at the end. So this USD, we have to remove it. But for us, for this Power Query to allow us to remove it, so we first change this into text. Okay? After changing them into text, so we come here and we do right click on this, on one of the value which include USD, and then we remove this part of number. Then after removing it, so we replace it with an empty space and then we hit OK. So everywhere we have USD, it is going to disappear. But we also have a dollar sign. So we are going to do the same. We replace and then we come, we delete this number only. Then we replace this with an empty and we hit OK. So after doing this, the remaining is to change it into a whole number. Yeah, so we are having good numbers here. Have you saw the steps or should I repeat?
Repeat, please.
Okay, let me try to repeat. Let me try to repeat. Let me try to. Okay, so we are having this kind of column. So, what is the scenario we are having? So, we are having a scenario which is like this. Our column, we were expecting to be having a whole number or any kind of number. But when we load the data into Power Query, it is telling us we have a mixture of text and numbers. So for us to be having a good data type, so we have to remain with only alphanumerics. But since they are telling us it is a mixture of alphabetic and numbers, so we have to check. For example, when we see on this person, this one, so we are having that it is 89.00 USD. So to mean we have to replace this USD and then we delete it. Okay? So if you want to delete it, so you first come here on data type and then we change everything into text. Because when it is a number, the option of replace value, it is not going to be given to you. And then after changing into text, you come here on the people, one of the people having USD, and then you like click on him, then you replace the value. After replacing the value, we come and we delete only the number. If we delete only the number, we are going to maintain this space and the USD. So we are telling this Power Query that it have to find where there is a space and USD, and then you replace that one with nothing. And then you come here, you do OK. After doing OK, you see everywhere we were having like that USD, it is appearing, disappear. But we also have another challenge of having this dollar sign in front of some numbers. We also do the same, we like click on it, we replace values, and then we delete this number. After deleting this number, we replace it with nothing, and then we hit OK. So since we expect our column to be with data type of numbers, we also come here and then we change the unity place into whole number. So we are having this harmonized unity place. Can you check for me if there is some missing? Is there any missing?
No, there is no missing.
Since there is no missing, we can proceed. Hope you
Yeah.
understand.
Yes.
Yeah, so we
Yes.
come here on discounts. On this column of discount, so discount might be a decimal, there is no problem, but we are having these null values. So let us replace these null values with 0 to mean where there is an empty space, you can replace it with a 0. Okay? How to do it? Anyone who can tell me in words? Okay, how am I going to do it? Please, a volunteer.
We right to click on null, then we replace the value.
Wait. Right click on null and then we replace values. And then what am I going to put here?
Put 0.
Put 0. And then we
Yeah.
hit OK.
Okay.
Yeah, good. You deserve some chocolate.
At distance.
Okay. So we are now on this column of net amount. And they are also telling the same. So we are having alphanumeric to mean text and number mixture. Okay. So we are going to sort it with the same. We first change it into text Afterwards, we find where there is a dollar sign, and then we delete the number, and then we replace it with nothing. Do it okay. Oh, is okay? There is also a USD. We right click on USD, and then we delete the number, and then we replace. Oh, sorry. We delete the number, and then we replace it with nothing, and then we hit OK. And afterwards, we change it into a whole number. Yeah, we are having this kind of amounts. So, are we together, or you have slept? Please don't fall asleep. So, on this column called notes, I think nothing we are going to change on it. So, is this about the follow-ups? Let us leave it. And we come here on transactions, but I think we also have the same column here. So, we can delete one. Let us delete this one. So, how to delete it? Right click, and then we put remove. It is now gone. Yeah, so let us now stop our data cleaning. So let us hope that we are having a clean data. Okay, guys, can we confirm that
Yes,
we are having a clean data?
yes. The question I
So
have
Yes. Question,
is it
please.
this that our data we have cleaned, is it saved somewhere?
So we are going to save it.
Oh, okay.
So others, I need like more two people. Confirm
I
enough.
have a question.
Yes, question, please.
So I was left. I did other documents cleaning, but on the category, I think I was lost. My whole folder is written stationally. No accessories.
The whole folder.
I mean, on the category part.
This category part. So you are having
How?
only accessories.
Yeah,
Cool.
everywhere it's written accessories. So how can I? Am I going to change the way we did
Yeah, so
on the selected?
you are going
Uh-huh.
to come here in this apply. The good thing of PowerQuery, every step you do, it is saved in these applied steps.
Mm.
So if you feel like I removed this column mistakenly, so I can come here, and then when I close this change to mean it is going to come back. So let me show you. You see, a few time ago I have removed the column, the one called transaction
Yeah.
Q1. When I feel like I want to retain it back, I can come here and close this, and then I'm going to have my transaction Q1 here. It's going to come back. So you are going to check where you mistakenly replaced everything with accessories. And then when you cross that one, the other categories are going to appear,
Uh,
right?
okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So others, let's now save our data. Okay, so how are we going to save it? So we are going to come here on home. The same, we go to load, close and load, and then we go load to, We go to load 2. We check, we select only create connection, and we add this data to data model, and we load. So after loading, we are seeing some changes here. So please confirm if you are having the same interface like mine. So we are going to close and load two model. The same thing we did at the beginning. Please unmute. Any challenge?
We are good.
We are good. I need to listen to gentlemen.
Yeah, we are there.
You are there. Okay,
It's okay.
that's good. So let us take like a 10-minute break for us to come back creating. So now we are done with Power Query. So Power Query is mainly on importing data, clean them, and then load to model. Now we managed to load to model. So the remaining thing we are going to use Power Pivot to create the relationship. Yesterday we have managed to connect one table to another tables. Okay. So after doing that, creating relationships, we are going now to build our model, our dashboard. I mean dashboard. Okay. So let's now take a 10-minute break. So we are back at 7:07. Okay. Or if there is any question, you can please ask before we go to break.
I was wondering if you can tell us why we go through these steps, why we
Yeah,
need them, and just to know more. Because I think if you know the reason why those steps are made,
yeah.
it may easier to capture every step.
Any volunteer who can answer this question? I just want to know if all of us we don't know where we are heading to. Anyone? If you think you have any comment, you can please unmute.
So
So, okay,
I believe we need to clean data so that
yes,
we have the information which is more clear to read. So we need insight which is readable and understandable by people who are reading our dashboard.
excellent. Anyone else? Yeah, so in the point of addition to our colleague, so Mr. Suppose when we were harmonizing like category or region, there is somewhere we find like we are having uh, East Africa, and another one is E. Dot Africa, and the one is EA. So all of those categories mean the same thing. That's why, as our colleagues say, we need to first clean. We have to first clean our data so as when we deliver the report to the end user, he will know that we are only having East Africa, not things like EA, E. Dot Africa, things like that. That's why we first have to clean our data. So after cleaning our data, we have to create like connections. For example, we are having different six tables. and we want to create a one dashboard from it. You can even be having like 20 tables or different 30 tables. So when you are going to try to create a relationship between those tables, so you want your dashboard to be dynamic so that it can navigate from one table to another to draw the insight from different tables. That's what we are going to do. We are going to manage the relationship or create the relationships between those tables, and then afterwards we will do a simple dashboard. So these things we are doing, you will even repeat it into Power BI. So if you are from here understanding each and everything, so Power Query and relationship management is also the basics of the tool we will cover, which is called Power BI. So let us take the break. I hope now you understand. Mister, can you please?
Yeah, thank you, thank you.
Yeah. So let us take a 10-minute break, and then we are coming back at 19:10. If you are able to understand this Power Query model and creating the connection and dashboard, so our goal is we are reaching our target. So hope you are all back. Yes. So we are going to proceed. Are you back?
Yes, we are back. We are here.
Okay, so if you are back and we are having the same interface, so we all here having three tables, six tables. So let us proceed. So we are going to come here into Power Pivot. So I hope yesterday you have inserted it as add-ins. So we are going to come here on Power Pivot, and then we go to manage. So we click here on manage. So after clicking, sorry, is there any problem?
Yes, but I don't have that. I think that option, Power Pivot.
So you don't
Is
have.
it no? Should I insert?
So if you don't have this Power Pivot option, just while note we are going to show how to put it. So is only you, or there are other people who is having the same question? Others, are you all having Power Pivot?
I do not see it too.
Is it under what? It's just on itself or what?
So you are going to come. So let us put it. So you are going to come here on file. Okay. So come downwards on options. After clicking on options, come and click on add-ins. Yeah, so after clicking on add-ins, so you are going to which one I think is, oops, I have forgotten how to add it. Maybe is this one common add-ins, and then we go, yes. So have you saw it? So let me start again.
Yeah.
Come here on file, go to options,
Yes.
choose add-ins.
Mm-hmm.
After choosing add-ins, come here at the button. You see manage Excel add-ins and go. Come here on this drop down and then choose COM add-ins. Click on it. After clicking on it, come to go. After coming to go, come here and then check Microsoft Power Pivot. This. After checking it, come here to OK. So you are going to see it appearing here and then click on it. So are we good? Colette, please confirm. Please, Colette.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Since you are there, so you are going to come. So we are proceeding. We come here on
Yeah.
manage. So after hitting manage button, so you come here on diagram view. Click on diagram view. After clicking on diagram view, so you are going to see these tables, the 6 tables appearing here. So let us try to drag and put each and every one like here, and we link this almost here. So let me try to put these cells between. So because each table now is have to be connected to it. Yeah, like this maybe. I can put this one a bit top. Yeah, yes. So if you are having the same interface, let me know. 1 minute for you having the same interface like mine. Yes. So if you were following yesterday, so when we are going to create a relationship, so any question?
Me, I can see only five. No,
So where is the
five.
six series? Where is the series?
Yeah, it's there. So, oh no, there's no cells.
Where have you put it?
I can't see cells.
Oops. So can you please share screen? So share screen and we see where you put your cells. So cross that one.
Yeah.
So double click on sales here on left side.
Left side.
Yeah, double click on it.
I double clicked. Okay.
Yes. So I want to see. Okay, go on cross and load.
I think I've missed this step.
Yeah, go on cross and load. Then oh yes, and then go on sales again. Do right click and receive. I mean right click, not double click.
Oh, sorry.
Cross and load. Um, let me see. Go to load two. Yes, click OK. Yes, again go to manage. Wait a bit. Go to manage. Then go to diagram view. Try to scroll right and we see.
Oh,
Yeah,
it was hidden.
yeah.
Sorry. Okay. Thank you.
Now it is good. Anyone else? So what does to mean we are on the same page?
No,
Please.
me, I'm lost.
Ah, you are lost again. Where will you lost?
Yes.
Where will you lost?
I don't know how you got the pivot.
Yes, share screen. Please share your screen.
Yes, yeah. So you seeing my screen?
Not we are not seeing your screen. You can
Now you can see.
it is coming, yeah. Yes. So go on. Oh, you don't have power pivot. Not that one. So please go to file. Go to options. Down on options. Yes. So on the left tab, please navigate to add-ins.
Yeah.
Yes. And please, you see at the button where there is manage in middle button.
Yes, here, Excel.
Yes, click on that drop down and then choose the second one, come add-ins. Yes, then hit go. Yes, please check Microsoft Power Pivot, the last one. Check it. No, check it. Click on that box. Yes, now hit OK. Yeah, and then go on the top on the tab beside help. Yes, there is Power Pivot. Please click on Power Pivot. Beside, yes. Then there is Manage, the first icon. Double click. Yes. And then make it big. Expand it. Full screen. Please. Yes. You see there is diagram view. The last four icons. Diagram view. Yes.
Here.
Click on it.
Um, okay. Okay.
So you are only having sales. Jesus. Okay, close it. So go on the first dim calendar. Light click, light click. Please go to load to. Load to. I said load to. Go and choose only create option and do the same and check that add this data to mod. Check it. Then click load. Hit continue. Go to manage again and we see if it is there. Go to manage and again choose diagram view. Yeah, go and do the same of the rest of the tables. You can
Okay.
close that one.
So I stop share.
First close it. Close. So you are going to do the same for the remaining tables. Right click,
Okay.
go to only create relationship, only create relationship and add this data to data model. The second one, yes. And check that one, check it, and then load. Then you go to the third one. You do the same, you do the same, you do the same. Now you can stop sharing.
Okay.
Oops. Hope now we are together. Yes. Yes. Can proceed now. Let me share again my screen. Oops. Yes. Yeah. We are back now. So I was trying to explain what is managed relationship. When we say managed relationship, so we are meaning we want to connect different tables from different source so as we can have like interconnection between them. So since all of those tables are connected, so we can easily navigate from one table to another. So for two tables to be connected, so there must be what we call a unique identifier. So what is a unique identifier? So a unique identifier is like a column which is present between two tables. So there is one column which is present among two tables which can allow us to connect. So if I am trying to create a relationship between two tables, so all of those two tables are supposed to have that unique identifier column. For example, if we are trying to manage this, this dim customers and this sales. So you see they both include the customer ID. So this customer ID is going to act as our unique identifier. So we are going to merge those two tables on on customer ID like this. You just drag and drop. Oops. And the relationship it is now created. So let us try to check dim products and this sales. Where is the unique identifier? A volunteer, please. What might act as our unique identifier in those two tables, sales and dim products?
Product.
Which one?
The
Come again.
product.
Product. Product ID.
Mm.
Yeah, thank you. Product to product ID. Yeah, it is good. So let us see now. What about the remaining relationships? Dim calendar and sales.
ID.
Where can we merge those two? Please, what is going to act as our unique identifier? So which column is common between these two, dim calendar and sales, which column is present in both tables.
Between them,
Between dim calendar and sales.
we have dates or quarter.
Yeah,
Can choose one.
let
Dates.
us go with dates. Other dates with this date. Yes. So how about this? Dim series and series. Where is the relationship? Where is the unique identifier?
We have region of
We have
sales ID. Sales represent
series represent ID.
ID. Yeah.
Yeah, this one. So, but there is no need that all connection can be built on this this table in middle. You can even build some connection among the list of tables. For example, we can see here in dim regions and in dim cells there is region. So we can even create this relationship. So the relationship cannot be created because each column contains duplicate values. Oops. So if the relationship is not allowed, they are going to tell it to you. So should we connect to this and we see? Oops, this one also is not going to happen. So how are we going to address this? Is there anyone who still remember where we connected it yesterday? Let me try to connect it with this one. Oops, there is some duplicates. So the remaining option, so we are going to go back to edit and then we try to remove, but let's see if we can merge on something else. We have country here, we have also country. Yes, this works. So merge dim regions to dim customers on country. Yeah, so please guys try to do those relationships. So you see now each and every table is connected to each other. So no table which is not connected to another. So to mean that we have to manage to build the relationship in our model. So are we good? Please let me know. Guys, colleagues, let me know if you have managed to build this relationship.
Yes. We are there.
You are there.
Yeah.
Yeah. After doing this, we come here and close. No need to save. We come here and close. Close everything. After closing, we come back to this. So what we are going to do is to create a dashboard. If we wish, we can even close this. So to have a normal Excel. So let us come to this sheet and then rename it with sales dashboard. Sales dashboard like this. So are we on the same interface? Yes, please let me know.
Yes, we are there.
Are we on the same interface?
Yes.
So no one who is stuck now. Yeah, hope no one is left behind. So let us come to view. Please, all of you, navigate to. Sorry,
You helped me to navigate from
follow.
the previous page.
So is there any problem?
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, can you help me to move the previous page you were on?
So you, is there any challenge?
Yeah, how did you move from that page to this one?
So you mean the page of the connections?
Yes, yes.
Just cross. Go on the cross. Here,
Um,
cross it. Yeah. Are you good now? So we are going to build our dashboard. So for us to be having a good dashboard, so we are going to first remove this what? These lines. So we are going to come here on view. After coming on view, come here on show and please uncheck each and everything. So we remain with a white paper. Okay. So after remaining with a white paper, so we come here on insert. We come here on insert and then we come to pivot table but from our data model. We are going to choose the third option. Are we good? Please try to talk to me. So we first go to view and then we go to show and we uncheck everything for us to remain with a whiteboard, and then we come here on insert, we go to pivot table and then we choose this third option from data model. So we put on the existing sheet. Maybe I can put it somewhere here, and then I hit OK. Yeah, my pivot table now is appearing with all of my tables. So what are we going to build? So let us see like region, drag region to row from this table of the second table, the dim customer, and maybe we want to to understand the distribution of sales by region. And we come here on sales, maybe we put amount, net amount. We drag them to values. So now the person who were asking about why we were first in Power Query. So when we go straight to this kind of analysis without cleaning our data, so in this table we're going to be having like E dot Africa, East Africa, different Eastern Africas. But since we have managed to harmonize it, so you see we are having only three regions. Yeah, uh, that's why we first have to do data cleaning. Yeah. So if you want to sort, you come here on value and then you do right click and then you come to sort, maybe from largest to smallest. So hope we are together. So after doing this, we can select each and everything. So we come here on insert and maybe we can put like a pie chart. Yeah, like this. After choosing a pie chart like this, if you come here on the design, so you are going to see different designs of a pie chart which can, and then choose the one you are interested with. Maybe we can go with this one. And then if you come here and then do right click on this and then you choose to hide all feed buttons, so the unnecessary button are going to disappear. And then we change the title of this and we can call it uh, sales sales amount distribution by region. Yeah, as simple as this. And then if you wish, you can keep editing. If you wish, you can even come here and come on legend. So maybe we can be interested to put the legend at the bottom, yeah, like this. So there is so many difference. If you want to put them at the top, you can put them at the light at the bottom. So you can play with this. If you want to make the data labels inside and outside and best fit, if you want to even put their data callouts, so which one is good? I think can put this one and then we remove the legends. Yeah, and our chart be looking like this. This is for example. So and then you resize it as you wish, and then you, after resizing, you can, yeah, after resizing you can drag it and then put it maybe somewhere. Or let us remove these kinds of data labels. Let us put our data to be in the center, or let us keep it like this, no problem. Yeah, so hope we are together. Yes,
No.
what is the problem now?
If I got to insert pure. pivot table,
Yes.
what are the options? I don't see my model. Data
Oops.
model. Do I use?
You come on insert
Me, I
this
don't see
pivot
any
table, and
drop
then you
down
go with from data model.
from data model. That option I don't have.
Oops. So what have you done? Have you crossed the Excel?
The Excel. No. Which
Okay.
Excel?
Try to share and we see.
Yes, I had a blank Excel sheet, but it's not connecting to the module.
Okay, try to share and we see.
It's that I'm using a different computer now.
So how are we going to okay. Let me see if I can find a way to address your issue. So come to data
Data.
and then come here on show queries
Mhm.
and see if you are going to be having these animals.
I
Can you
go to data, then mm, if I click on the data, I don't see any query.
click on data and see if you can see these options? New query or show queries. I want you to find where you can see show queries.
I don't. I only have like queries and connections.
Click on that
Nothing
and
more about.
click on that
Okay,
and see.
yes, yeah, I can see them. The option.
The same interface. Hello.
So yes, I can now see the queries to the right
So
side.
okay, come again to Power Pivot and manage relationship. I want you to confirm if you are having like this diagram of connected model.
Okay, I think they are gone somewhere. I don't know. I don't see them.
Yeah, try
I
to
don't.
reduce your connection.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, I see from the diagrams they are there.
So everything is there.
Yes, it's there.
So it's
Then
if
I close.
so we come and close this manage and then we
Yes,
close this workbook queries.
yes.
So afterwards we go to insert
Insert.
and then we come here on pivot tables and
That's
we
where the
and we
models.
choose this one from data models.
I don't see the option here. I can only see use this workbook data mode. Maybe it's
Yes,
that
choose that
option.
one. Yes, click on that one.
Yes. Okay. And
Yeah, so let us proceed. So the second, let us build the second, let us build the second chart. So what if we are interested to see how the cells Well, okay, let us now try to see how the net amount and the discount that trend, the trend of discount and the trend of discount and what discount and net amount over the month. Okay, so where is discounts on the so we take month from dim calendar, and then we take discount from sales table, put sales onto values, and then we put net amount onto values again. Yeah, so after doing this, we close this one, we come and select this one. After selecting it, so we come to insert, so line graph, and then we choose like, oops, so what if we choose this line? This is not looking good. So let us see the recommended charts. So you can even come and click on recommended chart. So they are recommend us to use bar graphs. Then we can click on it. So we can click on it. So it is appearing like this. If we want, we can come to designs. Then we see which design can be. Yeah, I think this one is good. And then we hide the animals called feed button on the chart. After hiding those animals, so you see they are even telling us the what the numbers. So to mean when we in a first, so in first in January, so we offered 4.2 discount, and then we got this profit. Let me try to see if I can sort. If we sort like discount from smallest to largest. Yeah. So we offered small discount, and then we, is there any trend we can see? So but you see the more we offered like high discounts in six in May, maybe is it May or June? Or in June, so we have got this kind of loss. So the what, yeah, you see you can do different analysis. So we can again deal with chart title. Where is it? Chart title. We can put it at the top. Primary horizontal, primary horizontal. So we can say it is, maybe it is, as we can call it. How can we call it? We can say it is like discount and net amount by month. Yeah. Yeah, and then we can also drag this one and we put where. So we can try to put it somewhere here. Then we bring this one to, yeah, we try to this size. So guys, are we together? So hope we are moving together. So let us to put like, let us to see another analysis we can do. Come back on SAT. Please, can you please recommend me one of the analysis we can do? Please, guys, are you still there? What if we want to count? Says, oops. Yeah, what if we want to I so this one is there is no, if we want to know the name of, or we can use this as maybe as a filter later on. Yes, yes, please.
Can you please help me on a
On
next analysis?
which
A next analysis.
which one?
Okay,
So
I saw how you did.
I
How
only
how
did how
hmm? How are you making it
so that
so that you go on next analysis, like you do
so
another table?
yeah, after doing the first one, let me delete this one. So I am coming below it, and again I come to insert. Again I go with pivot table from data models, and I hit OK. So the table is becoming below the one, the above one. So let me try to see if we can do like, mm, like, oh guys, any idea of the analysis we can do? So let us do like categories, the count of categories. Yeah, like how many categories we are having. So guys, are we still together? Eh, so you keep quiet. I'm worried. Maybe I am learning too fast. So let me check. Yeah, I'm still on the call. So please talk to me. Are we still together? Colleagues, oops. Jean Baptiste, are you there? Okay, let me hope that you are following. So from this, let us try to put a donut. Where is a donut on insert, and then I choose some donuts here. Yes. After they give me the donut, I can come here on design and then I choose which donut I want. Is this good? Or this one? Yeah. If we go this one and then we try to play with the colors. So which palette is good? Let me see the more options. If we go with this and then we choose this. Yeah, I think this one is looking great. Then we hide all flip buttons. Then here is so oh oops where I put it. Let me bring it back. Select this table and come and I pick this one. I come on design and I change the piles to green. Oh, now I see blue, it is good. Let's put it blue. Then after blue, we hide all field buttons. We change we edit it. Chart title, so we can call it product distribution. Is it product or categories? It's category. Product category distribution. So after this, we can keep adding some edits, like our legends might be on pattern. Can even wish to show data labels, but our data labels, what if we made them to be, let me see if white can work. Is it good idea put white? I think, yeah, as simple as this one. So now I am going to struggle with the arrangement. Yes, so let us put two more visuals. So two more visuals, come to insert again. But guys, are you still there? Or I am talking to myself? If we come and we show what? Let us show the count of products, then we show the maybe other IDs.
Sorry.
Yes.
Can you try to analyze the the amount of cells
Yes.
in countries and months.
Sorry,
Can you
you
try
are.
to analyze the amount of cells,
Uh-huh.
the month and by countries?
Yeah. So let us to try to do that. So we want to first see how the amount of cells are behaving. So in which table we are having country? Yeah, like this one. Country from different customers. So we want to see how, remind me again.
We want to see the behavior of the
Yes.
cells
Yes.
by countries in months.
Okay. And months.
Yes.
So let's go with this month name. Month name. We have it. Oops, but it is going to be a big animal. You see? So they are going to tell us like in Ghana from April to December. Let us try to do day name and we see if it can be short. Also big. But let us try to see. But you see you can do it. After
Choose month with not month name. Choose month.
yeah, the same thing. Let me remove week and then we put month. And then we go to find where is the amount and then we put it into values. Yeah, so we are going to have table like this. So after having a table like this, we come and we select everything at the button. So we come here on search. Let us try to see. Oops, but a bit vague. Ah, mon Dieu. So let me try to see if we can. So you see you can do it, but it is somehow containing many information, so which are not recommended to put them on what on this table on this chart. But you can do it. But you can do this and afterward you put some slicers so we can filter them out. Yeah, like this. So and here we try to resize to see if it can fit. Oops, see not fitting. Oh, so you see every month are not appearing just because of many data. So what if we keep expanding it? Yeah, you can keep expanding it. Now you see all months are appearing. Yeah, like this. But let me try to show you how it is looking like. Yeah, you see? You see how it is looking like. Oops, but it can be, it is doable. You can do it. So let me keep it. And then how are we going to name this one? How?
Monthly distribution by country, maybe.
So let us call it like I don't figure amount distribution by country across months. Yeah, like this. So anyone else who can recommend us a visual, to put maybe somewhere here. One more. Let us do bar chart. So we come again to insert, then we go with our data model, then we hit OK, and afterwards we can look like I was going to show like the distribution of products like this. This one is not suitable for a bar graph. Let me put so I have shown category and region. There is region, there is category. So let me try to do this and see. So to mean how many oops, okay, I have got an idea. So let us show like uh, category sold by quantity of products sold by category. And check this and then we choose where is quantity. Is it unity price or there was no quantity? There is, yes, this one, quantity. Yeah, and this one we can use a simple bar graph, and we come to insert recommended chart. Yes, this one we hit OK. After hitting OK, we drag it to both. I put it somewhere here. So where is it? Oh, there it is. Drag it a bit to somewhere here. Yeah. Yeah. So the name is going to be like quantity sold by category, by product category. Category. Yeah, like this. So if I want, I can choose a different design like this one. So the remaining is just to insert some. So we are going to insert some slicers. So if we want, we can hide those. We can hide this what. So if we want, we can hide this. Right click and we hide. Yeah. So we are having only our. Yeah. So we are having a dashboard like this. So we are going to add slicers. Okay, guys, are we still together? Please. Oops, people are sleeping. Let me come to interrupt your peace. So, Wilson, you haven't yet talked today. Please, good morning, good evening. Hello. So, anybody who is hearing me? No one.
We can hear you.
Yeah,
We are there.
at least you are there. So let us.
Yeah, yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you. I don't I don't know if I can ask a question, right?
Yes, please.
Uh, uh, it yeah. Sometimes you see some dashboard like this, but you also see like a map, right? A map.
Yes,
So
yes.
is it possible? Yeah. Is it possible to insert a map? Take for instance, you insert a map of Africa. Since we are dealing with region, we are dealing with countries. Then if you get a map, it makes it a little bit much easier or much appealing to the senses. So is it possible? How do you insert a map on this dashboard?
Yeah, actually, I didn't added any map in Excel dashboard, but in Power BI you can do. And the good thing is you will cover it. Just worry not. We will cover it in Power BI session. Maybe it will be our last session of this bootcamp. So you see, we'll be having 4 modules, and then we are on the first one. So just worry not, we will cover it. But I don't know if it is possible in Excel, but we can figure it that too. So let us try to put some slicers or filters. So try to click on one of the any of the charts and then come to data, and where is the slicer? So let me come to pivot. Yes, come to pivot chart analyze. You will find the insert slicer. Click on it and let us put a slicer of what? Of transaction quotas. Let us put this one and we hit OK. Yes, let me remove this one. So this will help us to navigate through different quotas. We put it somewhere here. Okay, so after doing this, you come to slicer, and then we try to connect it into two different pivot tables for it to for allowing it to navigate in different pivot tables we created, and then we hit OK. So after hitting OK, this means that when we want data from quarter one, we just click on quarter one and you see everything is changing. Let us want to see data from quarter two. You see the data are changing. And also when we want to
Sorry,
see, yes,
Be- Benjamin. Sorry, can I beg you? Can you go back to at what point in time did you instead that slicer, please? I beg you. Susie, I
this
beg you. I
slice,
go. Yeah.
yeah, let me remove it. So we are going to click on any of the dashboard on the chart we want. Just highlight it. After highlighting it, please come to pivot chart analyze. After coming to it, please select insert slicer. So let us put like this transaction Q1 and we hit OK. So after hitting OK, we try to drag it around here and we resize it. So let us come here on report connection. So we want to connect it to different pivot tables we created. So that's why when you are doing Excel dashboard, you do everything in pivot tables. You have to make sure everything you included here is appearing in pivot tables. So we come here on report connection and then we connect to each and every pivot table we created and we hit OK. So when we want data from quarter three, we just click on quarter three and everything it changes. So according to how you did what, how you build your dashboard. So let us try to put the other slicer. If you want to clear any selection, you just come here on this one and you do close. Yes. So let us try to put another slicer. Click on any chart you want, come to pivot chart, insert slicer. So now let's put like cast where is it? Anyone who can recommend me? Oops, I don't want this. Maybe I can use which one? So guys, anyone who can recommend me any slicer we can use? Let me see. Okay. Okay. I want to use maybe can we put month names and we see? Let us put month names. So this will allow us to see on in January what happened in April. So and then I forgot to connect it to different pivot tables. So I connect everywhere. Yes. and I hit OK. After hitting OK, so when I try to move to August, so I'm going to see only data from August. When I see February, I see only data from February. Yeah, like that. So let us put the all we can. This is enough. Let's drag this down. Yeah, guys, are you building your dashboard too? Yeah. So the last thing we are going to do is just to put. So we are going to put a heading. So when you want to put a title, so you just come here on search. So there is this text box. Click on it, and then you are going to draw where you want to put your heading. Then I can do like this. Okay. After doing like this, then I type. I can say it is. Let me say I will. This company is called Come Again. Come Again Sales Dashboard. Yeah. So I can then therefore select and then I put into middle. I increase the, yeah, and I make it bold. I don't know if I can put any color. So let me see what if I put this blue. Yeah, like this. And I can make this text. Is it good idea to make this text white? Let me see. What if I made this text to look white? Not good idea. Let me keep it black. Yes. So now I have managed to build my sales dashboard for Come Again. Come Again restaurant. Oops, and here it is. Guys, let me know if you managed to build your dashboard too. Or if you have got any challenge, so we can address it. Otherwise, we can call it a day. So, it is your turn. Wilson.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It just that the process, yeah, just that the process is so long. I think I don't know how is it done to make it easier. If you have your data, that you don't have to change the date format and to change the currency setting, all of that. If you have a data that is already transformed and clean, it makes it easier to just navigate your way through to just complete your task rather than going through all the long steps.
Okay. So, have you managed to build your dashboard too?
No. I'm using my telephone and I'm moving from work. You know, time like this is difficult. So I'm just following through. I'm not using a computer. I'm driving
Okay,
like yesterday.
like
Yeah,
yesterday. So you were watching again.
yeah. But yeah, I'm following through.
So Colette,
Yeah. Okay. Okay, thank you.
Miss Colette.
Yes.
So I need your comment. We are finishing.
We are finishing. It was a good, a fruitful day.